Introducing Thor Technologies. This video will explain the features and benefits of the two-way C2+. When designing our products, protection and safety are our number one priority. It is with this in mind that we have included fireproof MOVs and a flame retardant housing to ensure the safety of not only your equipment, but your family as well. The C2+ has a class-leading 2,295 joules of protection, which defends against even the biggest surges and strikes. The Thor range has a unique circuit design, which allows the board to divert the bulk of the excess voltage via the earth line. The Thor C2+ has an earth detection safeguard, which ensures a good earth connection and a better diversion of surge. This means not only are your products kept safer, but your protection will last far longer than other brands. This model has Thor's passive filtration technology, which cleans more unwanted electrical noise than comparable brands on the market. As the circuit boards inside all of your white goods and connected devices are basically just small computers, they are highly sensitive to noisy power, and this can cause issues such as washing machines freezing up mid-cycle. A Thor board can help reduce these types of power-borne issues that occur on a regular basis. Did you know that the filtration on the Thor range works both ways? It not only stops noise from robbing you of equipment performance, it also stops your connected devices from contaminating the power for the rest of your house and equipment. On top of this, the Thor C2+ comes with a $75,000 connected equipment warranty, ensuring maximum peace of mind for your equipment. There are two protected and filtered outlets on the board, both of which are spaced to allow large plugs and plug packs to be connected with ease. The C2+ space-saving Flathead plug design and 1 meter cord allows you to have premium protection behind your white goods. With a lot of these spaces being typically very tight, the C2+ can be mounted into a cupboard or shelf using the template on the bottom of the packaging. All of the Thor range comes with a 6-year replacement warranty. There are 2 filtered and surge protected sockets, both of which will fit large plugs and plug packs, an earth detection safeguard, an active power LED so that you know when it's time to replace the board, a 1 meter cord with space-saving flat plug head. A fireproof MOV ensures the main protection components will not catch fire while protecting from dangerous surges. The choice of fireproof components and the added flame retardant housing ensures your home and family will always be safe. The Thor C2+ is suitable for all types of audio-visual equipment, from amps and speakers to TVs and projectors. They have also been designed for protection of white goods and are suitable for use with fridges, washers, dryers and dishwashers. Inside the smart brain, all serious power protection diverts excess energy to earth. If there is a good earth connection, then the protector will last longer. It is for this reason that the C2+ has an earth detection LED. The Thor Smart Brain not only protects from surges, it also cleans unwanted electrical frequency noise. Thor Technologies is an Australian company who produces premium innovative power protection and filtration products. We control the whole process and make products from concept and design using the expertise of Australian and New Zealand engineers to creation and distribution of shelf-ready products. Some of our products have patents and we are recognised as leading edge in our industry. We have been focusing solely on power protection and filtration since our inception in 2001. Thanks for listening. For more information, please go to our website, thortechnologies.com.au, or please give us a call.